What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without ad revenue. One of the things that it's not really I get questioned about, but I'm told you make videos all the time about make money online doing this and that and every which way, but you're only doing it because you're wanting to make money through YouTube ad revenue. Well, to be honest with you guys, I make anywhere between like $2,500 and about $4,000 a month, consistently every single month. And so it's averaging about $100 a day, give or take a little bit, that I'm making from my videos, from YouTube ad revenue. Okay, I make far more than that using other income streams. So I want to give you 3 ways that you can make money without YouTube ad revenue, because I know so many people are struggling because YouTube ad revenue, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. It's a big hurdle for a lot of people, so I'm going to give you 3 ways you can make money right now. So let's start. The first way is with YouTube, obviously, but you're going to be selling merchandise. Now, there's a reason why I'm on this page right here, okay? Because YouTube actually allows us to integrate our channels with Teespring. If you don't know what Teespring is this website right here, okay? Now, why am I here? The reason why I'm here is because to be eligible for this, you need to have, 1, you got to be inside the YouTube Partner Program. Number 2, you need 10,000 subscribers, okay? And I'm going to address that in a second. There is a reason why I'm showing you this. And the third thing, you need to have no community guideline strikes. All right, 10,000 subscribers. If you're struggling to get 1,000, getting to 10,000 is rather impossible, right? Well, there's a way around this. And the first time I mentioned this to a client, he was like, it takes 10,000 subscribers to get that feature, right? And I understand that. Let me show you. Okay, so what that feature looks like is this. Okay, so I'm over here on Nick Nimmin's channel. If you don't know who he is, go follow him. He talks a lot about YouTube. That's pretty much all he talks about. And it's an incredible guy to follow. Has a lot of great information. Again, his name is Nick Nimmin. Now, if you go to his channel, you're going to see down here, buy Nick Nimmin merchandise. Okay, and I can scroll through it. All this stuff is over on Teespring. You can see right here, Teespring, 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 and Teespring. Okay, now why am I showing you this? This is this feature right here, where we are integrating Teespring with YouTube, and it works extremely well. Now, I used to have this turned on my channel. I since took it off because it was lowering my other income streams. All right, now here's the cool part. With Teespring, all you got to do is start designing. Okay, start designing, sign up, and get started. It's that simple. Because right here, if you don't know who this guy is, okay, don't know who that is, all right, that's Valuetainment. I don't know, right there, Valuetainment. Okay, and so you can, once you get started and you create a design somewhere here inside Teespring, okay, there's some stuff from Reezy Resells, okay, funny t-shirts, Land of the Free, you got different stuff down here. Once you create, you will have a link, okay? You can take this link, copy it, and paste it into your top comment. You can paste it into your description. So now, instead of pointing people to this buy feature down here, you can let them know that, hey, if you want this shirt I'm wearing, it'll be in the first link in the description box below. Now, what's the benefit of doing this? Providing a link instead of having the picture with the price with where it's at. Well, the difference is you do not need 10,000 subscribers. That's the difference. Now, does it convert as well as having the little picture underneath the video? No, it doesn't. But you do not need 10,000 subscribers. So if you're worried about making money through ad revenue, that means you probably don't have 1,000 subscribers. That means you probably don't have 4,000 hours of watch time, which also means you do not have 10,000 subscribers. So this is one way around that little, getting over that 10,000 subscriber hurdle. This is just one way around it, and it works, okay? And I highly recommend you do it. Now, the next way to make money on YouTube without YouTube ad revenue is something that I absolutely love, and I do it on every single one of my channels. It's called affiliate marketing. and I am promoting different products to different people based on different videos that they watch. For example, if you know what this is, you probably been following me, or you are a reseller that probably sells on eBay or Amazon. This right here is a it's a Scotty peeler. I have another one right here. It's a metal one, has a blade on it. Why am I showing you? The reason I'm showing you these is simply because these are products that I promote. For example, if I were, and I'll go to some other random video. For example, let's say I go to YouTube and I type in best radar detector 2019. Let me show you this. Okay, so the second video right here has a link right there to Amazon. It's an affiliate link. Third video, okay, best radar detector 2019, has another link to Amazon. It's an affiliate link. Okay, you come down a little bit further. Down here, what, fifth or sixth video has another Amazon affiliate link. You keep coming down, and my guess, there's another one. There's another Amazon affiliate link. Keep coming down. Is there going to be more? Let's see. And I don't see any other ones. Okay, so right there, there's already, what, 4 or 5 affiliate links just going after best radar detector 2019. But look here. This is a video I did. It's called The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone Explained in 90 Seconds. I pretty much explained this entire thing in 90 seconds. Now, if you were to watch this video, you like the book, okay, and you decide to buy it, I have a link right here that takes you to Amazon. When you buy the book, I get, what is it, 6%. So I don't make a lot. I'll make under $1. But if 300 people watch this video, and let's say 1% decide to buy it, that's still a decent amount of money from one video. Do you think I would have got that amount of money from that from YouTube ad revenue? No, I wouldn't. I'd make more money doing affiliate marketing. That's one of the reasons why I love to do it. Now, here's something I got for you. If you are new to affiliate marketing, don't know how to do it, you don't know how to get traffic to your YouTube videos, you're struggling to make any money on YouTube, this is what I highly recommend. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. It's one of my newest courses. Right now, you can get it through the link in the description box below. It takes $13 off. So instead of $33 you get paid, you only have to pay $20. You can come here, read all about it, and you scroll all the way down, you can see kind of what's inside the curriculum. You also get 2 bonuses that I'm throwing in. Now, let me talk about the third way to make money. The reason why I put, for one, my affiliate marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days, I wanted to show you that because it can help you. It can help you make more money, it can help you get more traffic, it can help you get more views to your videos. The second reason why I showed you that is because it's an incredibly good segue into the next thing, which is online courses. Let me show you this. So obviously this is mine, okay? This is mine. If you want to go check it out, just check it out. I'll put it in the first link in the description box below. Make sure you use that link or you will not get the $13 off. Now, this right here is Kino Body. You've probably seen some ads that he has on YouTube, on Facebook. He has them pretty much everywhere. His name's Greg O'Gallagher. He's had Kino Body, this program, up for probably several years. Now, this right here is this is just his Kino Body courses, his main page. Okay, and so he has 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 different courses, or 12 courses, 1 free thing, and then a monthly membership. Now, he has all this stuff, okay? But what I want you to understand is I make more money selling courses than I do with YouTube ad revenue. Now, most people wouldn't say that. Now, yeah, I'm trying to sell courses, okay? But honestly, I think courses are better than YouTube ad revenue. Number one, as a creator, as a course creator, as a content creator, I make more money with courses because I put a lot of time and effort into them. I back them with email support. I do a lot of this stuff that most people don't do. Now, when you click on an ad and maybe it takes you to some other person's course, some product, some service, whatever it is, you have no clue what you're getting from them. For me, you probably do. You've probably seen multiple videos of mine. Now, the reason why I mentioned that I make more money from courses than I do from YouTube ad revenue is because I want you to understand that it doesn't take a 100,000 subscriber channel to make $100,000 in a year. It doesn't. It probably takes about 15,000 subscriber channel to make $100,000 or more per year selling courses. Okay, you doing affiliate marketing. It doesn't take that much. All right, so I want you guys to understand that. Now, so my course right here is actually done on Teachable. You can see it right there. Okay, I don't even take that out. Kino Body, his is done on Teachable as well. All of these, so you can click on any one you want. And you can see right here, it looks pretty much the exact same, right? And it's the exact same thing. It's all done on Teachable. You scroll all the way down, you can see the class curriculum. Okay, and you can even open it up and get additional information. Now, if you want to get started, I highly recommend Teachable. Now, I use Teachable, I use ClickFunnels, I use Kajabi, I use a bunch of different services. Teachable is, in my opinion, one of the easiest for anybody to use, okay? So, you're probably thinking, well, how much does it cost? You can get it for $29 a month. That's if it's billed annually. If you pay monthly, the basic version is $39 a month. The one I highly recommend is Professional, okay? That's the one I'd recommend. It's the best bang for your buck. But if you're first starting out, choose the $39 plan. It's going to really help you get started. And the best part about this is you can come in, see some of their examples, look at some of their resources, and really get an idea of how you can build out your courses using Teachable.com. So let's just say you have a YouTube channel with 200 subscribers. You get 50 or 100 views per day. You're publishing new videos 2 or 3 times a week. You're doing fairly well. Okay, let's say you get about, if you're getting 50 viewers or 50 views per day, you're getting about what, 350 views per week. That's not a lot. That's not make you any money with YouTube ad revenue. Now, with those 350 views, if just half of those people were interested in a product you were promoting, so affiliate marketing, or you're building a brand around an idea, you almost have a cult-like following, you are doing stuff in gaming, you have certain sayings people just absolutely love, you could sell merchandise. And instead of making, the 50 cents from your YouTube ad revenue, which you don't get yet, okay, it's you make it, but technically you're not getting paid because you have to meet those requirements. So if you want to make money, I'd highly recommend creating a shirt or a few different shirts, designing them, and just putting them out there. Letting people know, hey, if you want this shirt, it's in the first link in the description box below. Go check it out. It's $15.99, and you end up making $2 or $3 from it. Okay? So it's not a lot, but it's more than you're going to make with YouTube ad revenue. Let's say you get into affiliate marketing and you promote, for example, I haven't created videos on these products in probably 2.5 years, and I still get probably 3 to 4 sales of these every single week, okay, from my affiliate links, and it's all pointing to Amazon. Okay, I also sell so many other things, cooking products, books, there's posters, there's a lot of stuff you wouldn't even think you'd make money on, but I make money because I'm putting those links out there. The third thing is courses. Go and create a course that you can stand behind. For example, my affiliate marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. Is it a guaranteed $1,000? No, it's not. The majority of people do make more than $1,000 in 45 days, but there are some people that just don't put in the work, don't put in the effort, and don't make any money. But if you stand behind the course, if you stand behind the product, whatever it is you are pushing out in front of people, let them know, what you get. Okay? Courses can make you a lot of money. They can also help and impact a lot of people. So the more people you can impact, the more people you can help change their lives, the more money you're going to make. All right? So if you have any questions on the course, if you have any questions on other ways to make money on YouTube without YouTube ad revenue, let me know. Ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.